Question 8A of the Wassce 2019 General Mathematics Theory past question says to solve the inequality 1 over 3x minus 1 over 4 bracket x plus 2 greater than or equal to 3x minus one whole number 1 over 3. This topic is under, this question is under the topic called inequality. Okay. Also, if you take a look at this sign that we have right here, this is greater than or equal to. If you have this is less than or equal to. Okay. Now, if you take a look at this question, the first thing you should do is to convert the number that is a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Okay, so this is a mixed fraction right here. Okay, so let us rewrite the question out by also converting this to an improper fraction. So this is 1 over 3x. Okay, so I'm going to have 1 over 3x, okay, minus 1 over 4, okay, bracket x plus 2 greater than or equal to 3x minus, now let us convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. What do we have? It's going to be 1 times 3. Okay, we have learned that in one of our videos. Please go ahead and check how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. So that's going to be 1 times 3, that's 3, plus 1, that's 4. So it's going to be 4 over 3. Okay, that's going to be 4 over 3. Now we have been able to do that. Now for us to solve this type of problem, also what we need to do right now is because we have a lot of fractions right here, 1 over 3, 1 over 4, 4 over 3. I would like to convert these numbers to a whole number. Okay, now for you to do that, you multiply throughout by the LCM of 3, 4, and this 3 right here. LCM, which remain lowest common multiples. We have several videos on that on our channel. Please, I will encourage you, go ahead and take a look at our videos where we look at different examples of how to calculate the LCM of 2 numbers and also LCM of 3 numbers. That's pretty easy. Please go ahead and learn that. Okay, now if you find the LCM of 3, 4 and this 3, the LCM is going to give you 12. Okay, it's going to give you 12 because 12 can easily also go in, 3 can easily go in 12, 4 also can easily go in 12. Okay, so to make life easier here, what we are going to do right now is we are going to multiply throughout. Okay, multiply throughout by 12. Multiply throughout by 12. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to multiply this side by 12. So that's going to be 12 times 1 over 3x minus 12 times 1 over 4. Okay, bracket x plus 2. Okay, very good, guys. Then you put your greater than or equal to sign. Then 12 also is going to multiply 3x. 12 times 3x, okay, minus 12 is also going to multiply this, 12 times 4 over 3. Very good, guys, very good, guys. So this is pretty easy right now. And as you know that 12 means 12 over 1, right? So what do we do right here? This is going to be 3 here 1, 3 in 12 is 4. Okay, so now let's break that out. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times x is 4x. Okay, remember what we are trying to do is to convert all these fractions to whole numbers. So we are trying to solve all this. So that's why we multiply throughout by 12. Okay, 3 here 1, 3 in 12 is 4. Okay, so 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times x is 4x minus 4 in 4 is 1. 4 times 12 is 3. So 3 times 1 is 3. So that means I will have 3 bracket x plus 2. Very good, guys. So that's for the left hand side. Put your sign of greater than or equal to 12 times 3x. That's going to be 36x. Okay. What about this? 3 here 1. 3 in 12 is 4. Okay. So now 4 times 4 is 16. So I have minus 16. Okay. I hope you all understand what we just did right there. Okay. Now let us go ahead and continue to simplify. Okay. This is 4x. I have 4x. Now you need to open up this bracket, and we also have videos on how to remove brackets. That's pretty easy. Go ahead and take a review on that if you don't remember how to do that. So this is going to be negative 3 times x. That's going to be negative 3x. Okay. Negative times positive is going to be negative, because that's unlike signs. 3 times 2 is going to give me 6. Okay. I put the sign greater than or equal to 36x minus 16. Very good. We are getting somewhere. Let us simplify further. 4x and 3x right here. These are like terms. That means we can simplify them. We can add them or subtract them. So 4x minus 3x, that's going to give us x. Very good. Now this is negative 6. So I bring that right there. X minus 6. Greater than or equal to. These are unlike terms right here. So I'll put them back right here. 36x minus 16. Very good, guys. We are almost there. We are almost there. Okay. Now, remember, still collect like terms. Collect like terms here. So what do we do? This is x. This is 36x. On the other side of the equation, this is on the left hand side. This one is on the right hand side. So what do you think is going to happen? 36x will go and meet x, because they are like terms. And 36x here is positive 36, right? 36x is positive 36x. So it's going to go to the other side and become a negative 36x, okay? And this one right here is negative 6. It will come over here and meet negative 16. So in that case, it is going to become positive 6, because negative 6 is going to cross sign of inequality and become a positive sign. Okay, so now I have x. This positive 36 comes over here, becomes negative. So now I have x minus 36x. Okay, I put my sign of inequality. Okay, then I have negative 16. Negative 16 right here. This is negative 6. It comes over here and becomes positive 6. So that means I have minus 6 minus 16 plus 6. Okay, so now what do we have here? X minus 36x. That's pretty easy. We know that. That's going to give us negative 35x. Very good, guys. We're almost there. Greater than or equal to negative 16 plus 6. That is going to give us negative 10. Very good, guys. Now we are almost there. Now we want to find x. Okay, now what is disturbing x? Negative 35 is disturbing x. That means we need to divide both sides by negative 35, because we are trying to find x. We want to solve the inequality, right? So I will say divide both sides. Divide both sides by negative 35. Very good, guys. Very good, guys. But there is something you need to take note here, which is where a lot of students miss it. This is where a lot of students miss it, okay? So now this is negative 35x, okay, and 35x. I'm going to divide it also by negative 35 because we're trying to find x, okay? Now, this sign of equal to is going to invert. Why? Because we are dividing both sides by a negative number. Take note, because we are dividing by a negative number, this sign is going to invert to become less than or equal to. See how I've changed the sign. Before it was greater than or equal to. Now it has changed to less than or equal to. Why is that? Because we are dividing by a negative number, negative 5. Take note, we are dividing both sides by a negative number. And remember, we are dividing by a negative number because we are trying to find x. And what is disturbing x is negative 35. So we'll divide both sides by negative 35. But let's say we are dividing by a positive number. Let's say we are dividing by only 35. We will not change this sign to less than. We will keep this sign. Okay, I hope you guys understand this right now, because this is where a lot of students miss it and then they fail, they lose some marks right here. Okay, once again, we are dividing both sides by negative 35 because we are trying to find x. Okay, because we are dividing by a negative number, you have to change the sign. You have to revert the sign. So instead of having greater than or equal to, you change it to less than or equal to, and then you put negative 10 over negative 35. Okay, because we are dividing both sides by negative 35. Okay, so negative will cancel negative, 35 here 1, 35 here 1. Okay, so that means it cancels. So now we have x less than or equal to. Okay, here negative will cancel negative, right? So what do we have right here? 5 can go in 10. That is going to give us 2. Okay, 5 can go in 35. That is going to give us 7. So that means my final answer is going to be x is less than or equal to 2 over 7. I hope you guys understand that. Please take note of what I mentioned right here, because we divided both sides by a negative number. Therefore, we inverted the sign from greater than or equal to less than or equal to. Very good, guys. I will meet you in the next class where we're going to be looking at the next question of this same year, of this same 2019 past question. However, if you are new on this channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell to turn on your notification so you don't miss any of our videos. Also, please share these videos with your friends and family, with your colleagues. Share this video, share these links, share this channel with them, so that way they also can better improve on their mathematics skills. Also, we are on our journey to 1,000 subscribers. Please help us to achieve this 1,000 subscribers, because the more you guys do this, the more we are motivated to make more videos for you guys. And also, this tells us that a lot of people are finding this valuable. So if indeed you are finding this valuable, why don't you hit the subscribe button below and also click on the bell, and also share with your friends, and also make comments below if you really are enjoying this video and you are finding it valuable. All right, guys, thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.